Hello students of class 6. Today we are going to study SST. In this we are studying civics. Civics, understanding diversity, page 147. We have completed this chapter. Today we will do the exercise of this chapter. Page number 151. Page number 151. Okay. Now exercise A. Tick and write the correct word. The state of being different from one another and of being unique is called dash. Diversity, diversion, style, division. It's A, diversity. Here also write down D-I-V-E-R-S-I-T-Y, diversity. Number 2, India has two major kinds of dances, dash and folk. Opera, western, classical, rock. It's C, classical. Here also write down C-L-A-S-S-I-C-A-L, classical. Number 3, Indian dash music consists of traditional songs sung during festivals and weddings. Rock, western, classical, folk. It's D, folk. Here also write down Indian folk. F-O-L-K. Folk. Next, there are more than dash languages and 2000 dialects that are spoken in India. There are more than 1500, 800, 1000, 1200. It's B, 800. Here also write down 800. Number 5, the British ruled India for nearly dash 100 years. 8, 4, 2, 3. It's C2. 2 years. CWO. Number 6, women in dash hold a high position in society. Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Uttarakhand. It's A, Kerala. K capital. K-E-R-A-L-A. Number 7, Ladakh is a part of Jammu and Kashmir in dash India. West, north, south, east. It's B, north. N-O-R-T-H, north. Write T for true and F for false statements. True and false. Diversity adds variety. Number 1. Diversity adds variety to our lives. True. T. Number 2. Indian culture has been influenced by the culture of the people coming from outside. True. The festivals in India are as multi-dimensional as the culture. India? Either match it or write down the answers in front. Number 3, a very hot area. A, Thar desert. 3 write down here. The state of being different from one another. B, diversity. Number 4. Number 5, cave paintings, Ajanta and Ellora. 5 here. And the last one, land of diversities. India को बोलते हैं land of diversities. So put it here. Number 1, E. Number 2, F. Number 3, A. Number 4, B. Number 5, D. And number 6, C. Okay. Now answer the following questions in a few words. Number 1, which spice of Kerala is still one of the major export oriented commodities? It's pepper. P-E-P-E-P-P-E-R, pepper. काली मिर्च, पेपर यानी काली मिर्च. In which state is the कुचिपुड़ी dance famous? कुचिपुड़ी dance, आंध्र प्रदेश. A-N-D-H-R-A, आंध्र प्रदेश. P-R-A-D-E-S-H, आंध्र प्रदेश. Who said that India's unity is not something imposed from outside but that is something deeper? It's Pandit Nehru. I am writing it here. P-T. Nehru. N-E-H-R-U. Pandit Nehru. Okay. Then number 4. Which state of India has the highest rate of literacy? It's Kerala. K-E-R-A-L-A. Which is an important festival of Kerala? Onam. O-N-A-M. Number 6. What type of shawls of Ladakh are expensive? Pashmina shawls. P-A-S-H-M-I-N-A. Pashmina shawls. S-H-A-W-L-S. Pashmina shawls. Here. Okay. Once again I am repeating it for you. Which spice of Kerala is still one of the major export oriented commodities? Pepper. In which state is the Kuchipudi dance famous? Andhra Pradesh. Who said that India's unity is not something imposed from outside but that is something deeper? Pandit Nehru. Which state of India has the highest rate of literacy? It's Kerala. Which is an important festival of Kerala? Onam. What type of shawls of Ladakh are expensive? It's Pashmina shawls. Okay. Now question answer. Coming to the question answer. Answer the following questions in short. Why are the Pashmina shawls expensive? Now here you have to tick mark the answer. So do it very carefully. Number 1. Why are the Pashmina shawls expensive? First write down the date. Sorry, page number. Page 150. Page 150. Your answer is at page 150. Here. Last. See here. Pashmina shawls. Last line. Here write down E1. It's exercise E na? E write down E1. Here E1. यहाँ से start करेंगे पश्मीना से. Pashmina shawls are expensive shawls because of Ladakh. Don't write Pashmina shawls because in question it is asked why are Pashmina shawls expensive. Okay. Then you write down Pashmina shawls are expensive shawls because of the wool comes from mountain goats आंसर होगा आंसर 1 E1। फ्रॉम हियर पश्मीना शॉल्स आर एक्सपेंसिव शॉल्स तक लिखेंगे, ऑफ लद्दाख नहीं लिखेंगे। पश्मीना शॉल्स आर एक्सपेंसिव शॉल्स बिकॉज द वूल कम्स फ्रॉम माउंटेन गोट्स छांगरा एंड ओनली a small portion of the goat hair can be used to make pure pashmina. Okay, now next question number 2, list down the famous festivals celebrated in India. Famous festivals celebrated in India. Then first write down page number 148. Here write down page 148. Now open page number 148 और you can write it from here. क्वेश्चन से ही लिख सकते हैं। द फेमस फेस्टिवल्स, द तब टी आपका कैपिटल लेटर हो जाएगा आंसर में। द फेमस फेस्टिवल्स सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया आर then start now come to page number 148 are here Diwali, write down E2, यहाँ पर E2 लिख लीजिए। दिवाली, होली, दुर्गा पूजा, गणेश चतुर्थी by Hindus and Eid ul-Fitr by Muslims, Guru Nanak Jayanti by Sikhs, बुद्ध पूर्णिमा by Buddhists, महावीर जयंती by Jains and Christmas by Christians. Here your answer is complete. Okay, E2 ये आपका आंसर E2 है। क्वेश्चन से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे। द फेमस फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया आर, देन फ्रॉम हियर दिवाली अप टू क्रिश्चियंस। ओके, now next, what is religious diversity? Religious diversity page number 149, write down question number 3 page 149. Now come to page 149, religious diversity. India is a secular, first write down E3, यहाँ पर E3 लिख लीजिए। India is a secular country. People here have the freedom to follow any religion and have the right to celebrate their religious festivals. Okay? What is religious diversity? Yes, up to festivals. This is your answer, E3. Now, question number 4. Name the earliest paintings which are proof of the love of art. Question number 4. Earliest paintings, proof of the page number 149 again. Write down page 149. Okay, page 149. Now open page 149. Here, from here, E4 na answer? Yes, E4. Look here, in art and architectural diversity, इसमें यहाँ पर second line rock paintings, here write down E4 and start with rock paintings. Rock paintings से start करेंगे। Rock paintings, cave paintings of Ajanta, Ellora and Bagh and temple paintings are the earliest paintings which are proof of the love of art, up to love of art. Okay, from here second line, rock paintings, cave paintings of Ajanta, Ellora and Bagh and temple paintings are the earliest paintings which are proof of the love of art, up to there. Now question number 5. What does the phrase unity in diversity describe? Unity in diversity, page 150. Page 150. Okay, come to page number 150 here. Unity, E5 write down. Sorry, no wait. Here, from here, the. इस T को आप कैपिटल लेटर करेंगे ध्यान अपने आंसर में and E5 write down यहाँ से. The. Start from answer from here. The phrase unity in diversity. Two नहीं लिखेंगे, don't write two. Describe the country at length. Up to here. The phrase unity in diversity describe the country at length. Answer complete. Okay. Then question number 6. What are the main crops of Kerala? Page number 150 again. Page 150. Come to Kerala here. The main crops. Look here. The main crops. 1, 2, 3, 4th paragraph. Kerala basically thrives on agriculture. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है तो आप यहाँ पर आइए. The main crops. There write down E6. E6 ना? हाँ, write down E6. यहाँ पर E6 लिखिए. Now start the answer from here. Take the answer. The main crops are paddy, coconut, pepper, cashew, cassava, and plantation crops like rubber. The cash crops cultivated are tea and coffee, spices, nutmeg, and cashew nut. Up to cashew nut. From here, the main crops are paddy, coconut, pepper, cashew, cassava, and plantation crops like rubber. The cash crops cultivated are tea and coffee, spices, nutmeg, and cashew nut. Okay, up to cashew nut. Now answer the following question in short. Now come to answer the following questions in detail. India is a land of diversities. Explain. Now India land of diversity. Come to page number 148. Page 148. Watch the answers very carefully. Okay. India, land of diversities. India is a land of diversities. Explain. We learn from history from here. Write down F1. Exercise F now. Question. Answer following question in detail. F1 write down. F1. We learn from history that from early times people travel to different regions for several reasons. It could have been in search of food and livelihood. They may have left their homes because of wars, drought or floods. When they settled down in new places, they began to learn new ways of doing things. Taught people. They also leave. इसको छोड़ दीजिए. यहाँ पे full stop है तो T को कैपिटल कर दीजिएगा. Taught people some of the things they knew. This teaching and learning between groups of people brought about many new languages, dance form, music, cuisines, and religions. Okay. Indian culture has been influenced by the culture of the people coming from outside. This intermingling of culture shaped the lives of people. From after outside के बाद फिर यहाँ पर 1, 2, 3 third line पर आएंगे. This intermingling of culture shaped the lives of people in different ways. New languages, dance form, schools, music and painting, cuisines and religions emerged. Different cultures thus influenced one another and brought about diversity. Up to here, diversity. Okay. We learn from history से लेकर diversity तक, जिसमें हमने इस पैराग्राफ में इंडियन कल्चर हैज़ बीन इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द कल्चर ऑफ द पीपल कमिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड। आउटसाइड के बाद आप थर्ड लाइन पर आएंगे, 1 2 3। थर्ड लाइन में यहाँ पर दिस इंटरमिंगलिंग, ये 3 लाइन्स आपको नहीं, 2 लाइन्स आपको नहीं लिखने हैं। ओके, आउटसाइड के बाद सीधे यहाँ पर दिस इंटरमिंगलिंग। ओके, देन फ्रॉम हियर टिल हियर डाइवर्सिटी। इन दिस वे योर F1 यानी आंसर 1 इज कंप्लीट। नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट शॉर्ट नोट ऑन द कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी। कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी पेज 148-49, पेज 148-149. Okay, now come to page 148, cultural diversity, F2. The culture of India. The culture of India is a mix of the diverse cultures spread all over India subcontinent and of traditions that are several centuries old. Languages, religious, dance, music, architecture, food and social customs all different from place to place within the country. The festivals in India are as multi-dimensional as the culture. The festivals are celebrated with zeal and enthusiasm. यहाँ zeal and enthusiasm के बाद come here, ये आपका E2 है, इसमें कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा बेटा। ओके, E2, nobody will get confused। यहाँ enthusiasm के बाद लिख लीजिए now next page, from next page, from next page। अब न्यू पेज पर आइए। enthusiasm के बाद India has 2 major kinds of dance, classical and folk. Okay, the classical dance Bharatnatyam is popular in Tamil Nadu, Kathakali in Kerala, Kathak in North India, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri in Manipur and Odissi in Odisha. Indian music, like the dance forms, also goes back to the Vedas. There are 2 main schools of classical music. The North Indian school is called Hindustani and the South Indian school is called Carnatic. Okay, up to Carnatic right now. Here, ये आपका F2 है, F2। यहाँ पर F2 we will start from here the, और यहाँ पर enthusiasm तक लिखेंगे, फिर enthusiasm के बाद से हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे इंडिया से कार्नेटिक तक। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Nobody will get, don't get confused please। if you don't understand then watch the video as many times as you can to understand the answer, but don't write wrong answers। Now question number 3, what is linguistic diversity? Linguistic diversity, page number 149 again, page 149, page 149। okay, linguistic diversity, question is what is linguistic diversity, page 149। now open here linguistic diversity, F3, F3। there are more than 800 languages and 2000 dialects that are spoken in India, but this is a great number in the range of languages spoken. This is a great number in the range of languages spoken. In order to learn from one another, we should be able to communicate with each other. So for this, the government has decided that all Indians should communicate in 2 languages, which are Hindi and English, up to here. There are more than 800 languages and 2000 exercises in your book and copy. Watch the video again and again if you are confused anywhere, and complete your work, learn the chapters, and take care.